What's up, guys? Credit Solutionist here, owner of PX Credit Solutions, where we help you secure your financial future today. I am also the author of the 90-Day Rapid Repair ebook, where you can find 3 quick strategies to boost your credit score within the next 90 days. Be sure to pick up your free copy at www.fixmyficonow.com. Now, on this Money Monday, I am going to go through a mini course with you and show you how easy it is to identify an error on your credit report. And you can actually dispute this particular error on your credit report. And I will actually show you how you can catch the credit bureau slipping when they send you a response. All right. So definitely grab a pen and paper. This is going to be a good one. All right. Let's jump right on in. All right, I hope you grabbed your pen and paper. In this example, I'm going to tell you about the easiest error to spot and a really quick dispute strategy that you can use. I'm going to show you a case on a live client that is active with PX Credit Solutions, okay? So get ready, take your notes, let's jump right on in. Now, there's 3 things that you need to know when you start disputing. The consumer reporting agencies or credit bureaus have to correct or delete any inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable information. They have 30 days to respond to you, but because of the special circumstances of 2020, they have been given 45 days. So keep track of your letters, okay? We can go more in depth about that, but honestly, that could be like a paid consult or something like that. This is really just an easy, quick breeze over so you get the information. All right. Now, after the 30 to 45 days, they have to respond. They have to either delete the information or verify it as accurate. Okay. Or they can tell you that they need more time to investigate. So there's a plethora of responses that they can give to you. But remember the time frame. It's 30 to 45 days. All right. Now, here's a disclaimer. This is a quick example just to show you how easy it is to spot these inaccuracies. This is not legal advice. This is just educational and informational purposes only, okay? If you want to dive more in depth after you see this example, definitely book a paid consultation with me because I can show you and point out some things that you can go ahead and jump in and dispute right now to get yourself squared away. All right, now we're going to jump right on into this example. Now, like I said, this is a live client, okay? Now, at the end of this, we actually ended up doing a complaint with the CFPB because there was so much going on with this situation. I couldn't handle it. I actually had to take this file myself because it was bugging me out. All right, now, this is Portfolio Recovery. So a lot of y'all probably know this company. They are vicious, okay? This is a snapshot of this client's credit report. Now, Portfolio is only reporting to TransUnion and Experian, so that's why we're showing you this part. Now, we're talking about inaccurate information in this example. Now, when you first look at this account, it does look like everything is on the up and up. When you look at the balance, when you look at the account type, it looks like it's being reported the same on both bureaus. But here is a blaring red flag for me. The date opened. That's right. Portfolio Recovery is telling TransUnion that this collection account was opened on August 17th, 2018, but they are telling Experian that this collection account opened on August 1st, 2018. Okay, Portfolio Recovery, which is right? Which one is right? Is it 817 or 81? You're actively and purposely reporting inaccurate information to 2 separate bureaus. Now, this can totally screw up a lot of stuff as far as, is Portfolio Recovery billing you properly? Because if they're telling you your open date was 817 but also 81, well, heck, how do you know your billing is correct with them also? How do you know they even are legally supposed to have this debt? They don't even know the day that they actually opened the account. That's an inaccuracy, you guys. I hope you're taking notes. All right, the next thing that I notice here is the date last active. So Portfolio Recovery is telling TransUnion that the last time something happened on this account was October 23rd, 2020. But they're telling Experian that the last time some activity happened on this account is August 1st, 2018. You guys, this could mean this could be a matter of the account falling off your credit report 2 years early or 2 years late. These dates are 2 years apart almost, okay? That is a problem. all right, that can cause so many issues in the end. All right. So this is a really easy one. Now I want to show you where we got some extra ammunition to be able to do this complaint that we filed. Now, again, this is portfolio recovery reporting this inaccurate information to the credit bureau. So our dispute process went something like this. We sent out the dispute to the credit bureau and we said, hey, there's some inaccurate information here, and we pointed it out. But then we also sent a letter to the collection agency, portfolio recovery, to have them say to us, well, we're waiting for a response, right, after we sent the dispute. And the dispute basically said the same thing that it said to the credit bureaus. Now here is their response. And this is where it gets juicy, y'all. Now, if you look at the last sentence, Portfolio Recovery Associates LLC denies that there are any inaccuracies in the information that it is furnished to the credit reporting agencies. Now, you and I both looked at that report and pointed out two separate and two very specific errors that we saw on that credit report. Now, how is it that Portfolio Recovery can make a bold statement such as that on this letter? That is blatant, just inaccurate. Okay, it's just I can't even think of a thing to say without cussing about this. Now, that is blatantly just inaccurate. Okay, they cannot do something like that. We literally just saw the error, and not only is the credit bureau saying it's accurate, but portfolio is saying it's accurate too. So it looks like this person has two separate open dates with the same account. Not sure how that's possible. So there's a lot of issues that happened on this particular case, but I wanted to point out the stuff that was super basic because it was just so crazy that they were able to do this and they think that they're going to get away with it. So anyway, we're definitely pursuing this one a lot further. But I want you to see this is what is happening on your credit reports. This is the kind of tomfoolery that is keeping you in debt, okay? They're knowingly reporting inaccurate information, and it's hurting you year after year after year, okay? Some situation like what we just saw with the last active date on that credit report, this kind of goes into how zombie debt happens. So definitely check out the video where I talk about zombie debt, because this kind of ties into that too. But anyway, this is, just a really quick example that I wanted to show you guys. I hope it makes sense to you as far as how you can spot these inaccuracies and how you can catch the collectors and the bureaus in their lie. The point is you want to get the bureau and the collector to both say that it's accurate, because then you have evidence that it's not, and there is your ammo. Kaboom. All right, so over 70% of reports contain errors. I would actually say it's 100% as a credit repair business owner, but I could be wrong. I don't know. But basically, the bureaus and collectors are not keeping their end of the bargain, and they're basically lying about it. We just saw it in this short case study that we did, okay? Now, just be aware that you may have a case, if you see something like this and you get an outcome like this, I mean, hey, pay attention, you guys. It's easier than you think as far as a lot of the credit repair strategies, and you can do a lot of this yourself. Okay, so I want you to take your power back in 2021, and if you go to the link that is right there on the screen, I'll actually link it below as well. You need to get informed. Go and read that PDF that's on the FTC website, okay? It'll help you a lot. It probably will take about 10 minutes to read, okay? As always, I want you to go ahead and join our mailing list so you can get a free copy of your 90-day rapid repair mini ebook, okay? Once you go to www.fixmyficonow.com, a little pop-up box is going to pop up with my pretty little face on it on the left-hand side. Fill it out and get your ebook and get that started. If you start today, you will start to get yourself straight by February 2021 or sooner. All right. Now, I hope that this mini course was helpful for you. If you know somebody that can use this information, share this video. Put it on your social media. Share it, share it, share it. Send it as a text message, send it as an email, do whatever you need to do to get this information out there. This is useful stuff, you guys, useful stuff. And as always, if you would like to book a paid consultation so we can dig deeper, we can identify these errors, we can tell you what the next step is, hit us up, book a consultation at www.fixmyficonow.com. And we also have other services, so definitely go and check us out. I will see you on the next Money Monday with another mini course. Credit Solutionist out.